Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. So, if you're having any problems, it's just not updating by itself, which it usually does. Right here it's updating, we can see that. Just press on your controller, on your Joy-Con, the plus sign. Just scroll over Fortnite, so I'm scrolling over it. I'm going to press that plus sign on the top right hand corner. I'm going to see this. Software information. Second option will be software updates. And just press on it. Okay, so right now it's updating, so I don't need to do anything. However, this is where you guys can check that out. You can also manage software from here. So from here we can delete it, just in case it's really stuck somewhere, it's just not happening. We can always delete Fortnite and re-download it again. So that's an option as well. So that's only if it's really stuck. And don't worry, you won't lose all your skins and all that. All that stuff is backed up in your account. And that's why, let's say, if I go into my Xbox or PlayStation, I'm gonna see the exact same skins. Because everything's transferred within my actual account. It's not within the system. And that's also why, let's say if I sell this Nintendo Switch or if it breaks, I can just buy another one. I can just log back in and I have all my skins again. So at this point in time we should see Fortnite like so, and we can always press start on it and take a look at what's downloading and what's happening. We can also try to start the software, but never do that. Never start Fortnite before it's done downloading the update. Up here you will also see download options. We can go into those, and right here we can cancel the download. So if it's really stuck somewhere, you can also do that. Just cancel the download and download it again. So let's say I canceled the download. Let's just do that. Although it's working for me, let's cancel it right now. So I'm gonna go on and continue to download, or just OK and cancel it. So I'm gonna press OK and cancel it. Here we go. Now this will just cancel the download itself. So I'm gonna hit OK on it, and there we go. It's no longer being downloaded. Once again, we can just press that plus sign. Alright, we can go into software. We can just choose our first option via the internet. Press OK on that. We're gonna check for those updates, and it's gonna start the download again. So I'm just gonna go back, and here we go. So that's how you guys can restart the download if anything's happening. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully it helped you out. If you're really stuck, just restart the whole console. So just turn it off completely, turn it back on, and it should be working. Usually I tell you if it's going extremely slow, hook it up directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. That should speed things up. Because the updates, yes, they can take quite a while. So for this update, for example, on my PS4 it took about 5 minutes. On Nintendo Switch it's going to take a little bit more. So those 3 gigs I can see right here, it tells me 23 minutes. It's most likely going to be more about 10 minutes, not really those 23 minutes. So just a few minutes after, Fortnite is all done. So right now I can go ahead and open up Fortnite. Just press start on it, log into it, and we're good to go. So at this point everything should be running fine. If at any point you find that the game gets stuck or the update gets stuck, it's good to just restart your Nintendo Switch. And if you're having major issues just with Fortnite, sometimes it does the trick to just delete the game and re-download it. Remember that everything is backed up on your account itself, so that's why if I go to my Xbox, PlayStation, anything like that, I still see the same skins, because that's my account. And sometimes I get questions about this screen, the login screen. Some people get stuck there. That's okay. That's usually because of your internet connection. So usually just check out your router, turn on, turn off your Nintendo Switch, and you should be okay. For now, just press, there we go. We're all done with the update. We're ready to go. We're ready to play some Fortnite. And that's it for this video. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.